The Kelowna Airport is the 10th busiest in Canada, and you probably know that, but it's also a major maintenance hub. And today, Kelowna Flightcraft, the largest commercial maintenance company in Canada, which has its home base in Kelowna, announced an expansion.
Today, on behalf of Barry Lapointe, our owner, and Tracy Medvey, our president, I'm pleased to announce another investment here at KF Aerospace. We're spending about $3 million this year to add on additional hangar capacity here in Kelowna. The expanded hangar number 1, will add about 21,000 square feet of space and add one additional line of maintenance work, bringing our total to about 13 lines of concurrent work here in Kelowna. That's 75 more jobs than we have today, so we're quite excited about that. In fact, if you've been tracking us over the last, I'll say 4 years or so, since 2015, we have added on our north hangar, we've added on the central hangar, and now we're expanding the south hangar. And I suspect, knowing Barry and the business, we're not done yet.
You know, a lot of airports don't have this capability, period. And so having this level of capability on an airport is tremendous. So when they're putting in the hours, and I don't know exactly the number of hours that they put on an annual basis, but all you have to do is look at the assets that fly in and out of here. And they're from around the world. You know, they're large aircraft from around the world.
We saw Donald Trump's plane here once.
Absolutely. Donald Trump's aircraft was here getting maintenance done on it.
I won't hold that against you, though.
We've had Icelandic Air, their entire fleet comes into Kelowna to be maintained. And so people are surprised that we actually have aircraft. We're in a global business, and we have aircraft that come in from around the world and need work done on them. And they choose KF Aerospace because they know of the on-time performance and the quality of the work that the staff do here. And that's a tremendous asset to our community.
We've increased our maintenance capacity in Kelowna through the expansions by almost 45% over the last 4 years. And last year, our staff worked 1 million hours on aircraft and parts. An amazing amount of work into our customer aircraft. About 80% of that was completed here in Kelowna.
With the expansion, Kelowna Flightcraft will increase from 725 employees to 800 by 2020. For Kelowna Now, this is Kent Molgat.